this is my hypnotic pre-talk because it is hypnosis work, even though may not sound very much like traditional hypnosis. You have to get comfortable. It's best to uncross your legs and arms. Also, if you want to lie down, just turn off your camera, lie down, that's fine too. Know that your temperature will drop. I did send it in the email, the reminder. You want to grab blanket, you can do so now. Also, you have to approach it kind of with curiosity, this process, like a child, without over analyzing. Just what if I do try it? What if it works wonders for me? It will, I can promise you that. And also, just throughout this probably entire process, it will feel like dual consciousness. One part of you is right where you are. You know who you are, what you're doing, what time it is. You know that you're hearing this strange woman with a Russian accent, but other part of you will actually be traveling elsewhere into an alternate reality. And this is where the work done. This is the part that will accept all the positive suggestions and incorporate them in the best way for you. So when you hear this inner critic creeping up and wondering, is this real? Does it really work? Am I hypnotized deep enough? It doesn't matter. This is a part of your mind that's supposed to protect you. It's your guardian. Imagine it's like an old nagging man, constantly analyzing and criticizing everything. It's its job. Don't argue, don't try to brush it off or suppress it. Let it run in the background. It's totally normal. And also, you need to know that trance, alternate state of mind that you will be entering, is not static phenomena. It's kind of comes in waves. At some point, you're completely aware of everything in every day of your life. And at some point, you will drift deeper. At some point, it may feel like you're falling asleep. And then you're kind of popping out and rising to the awareness again. It's totally normal. So you going down, so then you're going up. Don't just, throw white towel and say, okay, I think it's done for me. No, just keep listening to my voice. This is a voice modality. All you need to do is to listen to I'm your guide, but also listen to my direction. I'm kind of your GPS for today. And use your imagination, because I myself alone cannot force you into this beautiful hypnotic phenomena. It's your own inner work. I'm just GPS. So if I say take a deep breath, you do deep breath. If I say imagine something, you imagine to your best ability. And we know some people say, I don't have imagination at all. I'm not agreeing with it, but I'm not going to argue for today. Just remember then, if I say imagine forest, you know what the forest look like. Imagine the ocean, you know what ocean look like, at least on television or on photos, you've seen it. Just remember that. And also try to stay kind of within your body. Don't allow your mind to wander with outside noises, your to-do lists, what's going to happen tomorrow. Give yourself a gift of being totally present in this experience. That's what will help you to stay present. Keep focus on what's happening with your physical body, like interesting sensations, tingling, humming. You may feel as your body getting heavier or lighter. Noticing all those sensations will keep you present and focused on the session. and you'll have the best experience.